Here's how to set Pride Luminance Wallpaper on iOS 26.5 update on iPhone. First, update your iPhone to the latest iOS version, iOS 26.5 or later. As you can see, my iPhone 17 Pro is updated with iOS 26.5. Then, launch the Settings app and scroll to the Wallpaper option. See the option to add new wallpaper, and scroll to the Pride section and find New Luminous Wallpapers. Select any one. Swipe to change the default color. You can select any one of 11 default wallpapers, and the last one is customizable. Select 12 colors from the palette. Slide the palette and find more new colors to add to your custom wallpaper. Some users from Malaysia reported not finding the section for Pride Luminance wallpapers. Changing the region of your device from the settings and getting a new wallpaper is the solution. Then, tap on Done in the top right corner. Tap on Set as Wallpaper Pair to add it to your iPhone lock screen and home screen both, or customize it for the home screen and set it on the home screen. That's it. As you can see, animation for Pride Luminance Wallpaper. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe for new video updates.